How to download the Wild Boar data forms. The first thing you have to do is access the eNetWild project website. There you will find useful information about the objectives, activities and planning of the project. From this page you can download the data collection model forms for Wild Boar data collection models. In this icon, you have direct access to the information related to the model. This indicates what type of data is requested, how the different forms are divided, and the download area, and where you can find information about the general instructions, the data sharing agreement, and frequently asked questions. At the bottom, there are 3 icons that provide access to the different formats of the forms. One with the Spanish version, 2 other icons with the English versions. In this case, it is possible to select the Excel format edited with Excel 2007 and the format with Excel 2016. Please check which version works with your Excel version. The website also indicates which countries are included within each region established by the eNetWild project, and who are the regional partners who should be contacted in each case to request help or to send the data. To download the forms, simply click on one of the icons. A new window is opened where the archive is located. You need to download all the documents of the zip file together by clicking on the upper left button. In this file, you can see the forms with the data collection models. One for density, another for hunting, another for presence-absence, the general instructions in PDF, and the data sharing agreement in a Word format. If you have any problems downloading the forms or have any questions when filling in the data collection form for the Wild Boar, you can access the most frequently asked questions, FAQs, to find out if your question has already been answered. Here are a series of questions and their respective answers. If it is still not possible to answer your question, we invite you to access the eNetWild project help desk. Just register and make your inquiry, and we will answer your questions or doubts as soon as we can.